Hi friends, welcome back to Gigi's Kitchen Diary. I'm Juliana if you're new here, and today we're making my famous chicken chimichangas. And we're also going to make 2 bonus recipes today using the same filling, so stick around. As you can see here, I'm using a lot of canned chicken, and it is because I am showing you friends the 3 different ways I'm using this chicken salad recipe. So in the description, I'm going to write down the recipe to only make 1 of these. This may seem like a lot of onion, but it's really not. It is sweet onion, so you don't have that strong, pungent flavor. So my secret ingredient to make this filling extra tasty is Parmesan cheese. That is it for the filling. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my oven on 350 degrees, and I'm going to grab the croissant dough. For this croissant dough, you want to cut on the dotted lines. Don't rip it, otherwise your dough is going to break apart. And then you arrange each bottom of the triangle into a circle shape. Put your filling in, and you fold over the tips of the triangles and tuck it in underneath on the bottom of the inside of the circle. And then you just go around and mold it and make it look nice and even. While we have that in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and show you the second bonus recipe. This time we're going to need puff pastry. You can also get a sheet of puff pastry and cut them with your circle cookie cutter and bake them that way, and you get the same shape. With Valentine's Day around the corner, I wanted to come up with a heart shape, and this looks kind of crazy. I've never done this before, but it came out so cute. And all I did was kind of envision the heart shape, and that's how I laid out the bottom edge of the triangles. What you can also do is draw a heart shape with a pencil on the parchment paper and just follow that guide. So on the puff pastries, all you want to do is cut a little circle in the middle to make room for the chicken salad filling. Top it off with parsley, and you have a beautiful appetizer. Now we're starting on the chicken chimichangas, and these are popular. We have gotten so many requests on making these to many parties and gatherings we have gone to, and you cannot go wrong with these. They're so easy and delicious. Everybody loves them. The kids love them. Just a warning, if you plan on making 20 of these, you might want to make 40. If you know you're not going to have enough time making these the day of your party or dinner, you can totally make them the day before. Just make sure you wrap them up really good and put a parchment paper in between the layers, and you can fry them the day of. And you can't have chicken chimichangas without a guacamole dip. And this is a simple recipe, just sweet onion. Make sure you chop it really, really fine. A little bit of mayo and salt and pepper, and a squeeze of lemon to keep the nice bright green color. Please don't forget to take out the toothpicks out of the chimichangas. Each one of these are made with the same filling, but 3 different ways, and they are so good. Just be careful making them, because you're going to be asked to make them at every party you go to. You can make these as appetizers or even a main dish. With a side salad, you have a full meal. And how cute is this heart? It takes no skill whatsoever, and you can impress your Valentine for Valentine's Day. Let me know if you guys make these and how you like them. Thank you all so much for spending time with me in my kitchen. If you'd like to see more of me cooking, baking, or canning, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.